I'm going to say it in 4 languages so everybody understand it. Today is my birthday. Nes e moyat rojden den nanzama salgirada. In Urdu, आज मेरी birthday है. I think so. That's how it is in Urdu. आज मेरी birthday है. A little bit walk around.
Now we are frying.
Now we are frying in sun because I want to take some pictures outside, and for that we have to fry in sun. Most likely Hisham Saib have to fry in sun. But by the way, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's very bad. So I think we will be not able to take any much walk or anything. I just want pictures. There, it's there, the flowers. Yeah, because there it's beautiful, and I want just, there are pink flowers and white, and my dress is pink, and I say I want to go there and I want to take pictures there. It's very sunny, but I even forgot my glass. But you know, pictures is important. It's my day, and also it's our anniversary. Legally 4 years I'm torturing my husband. Legally. So it's been 4 years of our marriage. Alhamdulillah, may we have many more together with health and happiness, success, and so many more things. Ameen summa ameen. And that was a happy moment for us, and I wanted to share it with you guys. What is saying? What is Hisham is saying to me, women, do whatever you want fast. I'm tearing apart because of hot weather. When it's come to taking picture, I'm hard to please. I'm always like, no, take another one. Oh, this one is so cute. Let's take a few more. But the most beautiful thing is how Hisham is always so patient, even when it's so hot. He does his best with so much love to keep me happy and make things easier for me in every way he can. In return, I try my best to make our home feel warm and welcoming. A true sweet home. Of course, I miss my family a lot, especially during happy moments when I wished my loved ones could be here with me. It's not easy, but I always try to make these moments memorable, adding a little decoration, gathering with friends, and having small celebration that make life feel special. So here my candle broke, and they were trying somehow to fix it just to light it up and cut the cake with it, and it did work thanks to Maggie and Hisham that they didn't give up. They made a jugaad, and it did work, and I finally cut the cake with it. Before I got married, I didn't know how to cook at all, and that's perfectly fine. Skills like cooking or cleaning aren't something you are born with. They are something you can learn when the time is right. When you love someone and you want to care for them, you naturally learn and grow together. For now, I wouldn't call myself a kitchen girl. In our marriage, me and Hisham share the responsibilities. We both clean, we both cook, we both support each other in every way. So here Hisham told me, let me wash the dishes, you just gather them and I will do it. And I say, no, you will do it for next 2 hours and I will finish them in half hour, 1 hour, whatever, but I will just finish fast. And yeah, it's true, because when Hisham is washing dishes, even if it's very little, he takes a lot time with it. And I think that's completely normal, because men are good at things that we women are not, and we women are good at things that they are not. So yeah, we have different abilities, of course. So if you can't cook right now, don't stress about it. Focus on your studies, your dreams, and your goals. Life will give you the time and the reason to learn these things when you need them, and when that moment comes, you all do it with love, and that's what truly matters. I received many gifts and I love all of them, but this one really touched my heart, because they know that I am hijabi, and that was so thoughtful of them that gift me a hijabi, even though that our religions are different, our cultures are different, we are different in every respect from each other. But that really doesn't matter when people come together and love each other and just be good with each other. That's all matter. And that was all about today. and in the end I'm going to use rose water to clean my makeup, and it is really good.